What's up everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, you're gonna learn about how to make Claude write an outline for the essay topic. So the topic that I have got for the Claude is the impact of artificial intelligence on the modern UI and the UX design. So before wasting any further time, let's dive into the video. And if you guys new to the channel, like, subscribe and share it with your family as well. So what you guys have to do is to simply ask if you have any specific requirements, you can type it that in, but start with a bracket and tell it, hey Claude, uh, the above is the topic for the essay outline. I want you to write it for me. Make it sounds like the Tony start and be humanistic. So that will do it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give this prompt to the Claude. Let's hope for a few seconds and let's see what kind of a answer would it get back to me. And if you guys are just by chance landed on this channel, there are some other videos that I've made regarding Claude, also related to the lovable. Make sure that you guys will show some love on those videos as well. So let's stick to the video and wait till the design is ready, the whole essay outline. So it all comes down to the precision of what you actually want, and if you know what you want and you are good with your handwriting and text, whatever you want to type, you know what you're going to type. More explicit you get, more descriptive you get, the more accurate feedback or more accurate response you'll get back from the Claude. So this is how it goes, and let's wait a few seconds till it boot up, and then we will see it. All right, guys. It has shown the answer to me over here. So we are looking at added the impact of artificial intelligence on the modern UI UX design and essay outline. Introduction: the machine will learn to see us back. Open the chef for the decades we design interfaces for machines. Now the machine help us design for us. From pixels to predictions, how we got here. The designers now the co-pilot, and we got 7 different outlines. So this is how you guys can make the Claude write the outline for the essay for you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.